Okay, can someone please explain to me how lights like this should work? I press one of these, and it turns on a specific light. And if I press more of them, then like sometimes a light turns on. I press the top one to turn on the light. Why doesn't it turn off the light? How the fuck do I turn off? What the fuck? It. So that turns on the light, and then that turns off the light. And I can also dim the light by like turning it off and then unturning it off. No, that just so. What? And then these buttons are just not. What? I. Who designed this?